Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Canva on your laptop or PC. So first of all, just open up the Google Chrome and search for this Canva download. Now just tap on this first link and you will be redirected to this page. Just tap on this start download and now you can see that thank you for downloading Canva. You just have to select the destination file and now your Canva is downloading. Just tap on this setup, tap on open and now installation process is ready. And now you can see this, you have to sign up with Google or Facebook or mail. So I'm just going for mail. Just enter your details and tap on this get started. And now you can see this what we'll be using Canva for, so just select any of them. It's not really important. And now tap on this maybe later or try it for 30 days. And now you can see that I can use my Canva here if I search for any design, or you can see these designs also, Facebook cover, Facebook post, something like that. So if I tap on it to open the Canva, you can see that my Canva is open now, and now I can start editing in it. So that's it for this video. That's how you can download and install Canva on your laptop and PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.